How to change currency on PayPal. If you want to change currency, then follow these instructions. First, make sure you have downloaded PayPal on your phone. After that, click on the search bar and open PayPal. Now you have to log into your account. After you log into your account, click on the send/request option on the bottom. After that, click on this cross sign here. And on the search bar, type in the name or email address or phone number of your friend. After that, tap on their profile. Now click on continue. Now enter the amount and click on the currency drop down, which is on right side. You can see that it is currently now in GBP. If you click on it, you'll see different drop down option here. And if you choose any other currency, then it will lead you to this page. Simply click on this agree and continue option. This may take a while to load your currency. After that, you can see sending currency and receiving currency here. Now simply click on this next and confirm the payment. So this is how you can change currency on PayPal. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.